Long ago, before everything, there was just the universe. A lonely existence it was. So he thought to make the earth, create these mortals that wandered. But they would have no hope, no guidance, he thought. So I could avoid to cover them, and within it sparkles of light to hold their wishes. And so he created her, Lacuna, a maker of those lights, those stars that held the mortal wishes. But soon, those mortals wished for greed, for hatred, for death. And so angrily, the universe locked her away. Luckily for her, a human wanted a wish, only one. To do so, she knew she must comfort the crying god. Please, I only have one wish I want it granted, but I was trying to do something to earn this wish. Yes, a trial. You must show me the earth. I must see where this wish will go. Well, may I get your name? It's Lacuna. And yours? Beatrice. The swell was hit for a long time. Right after the stars disappeared from the night sky, the swell lit up and grew those flowers down there. I'm sorry, Beatrice. I lied to you. I cannot grant your wish, because I do not know where my stars have gone. Well, Lacuna, my wish was for the stars to be back in the sky, for their goddess to be happy to be with them again. I had saved these the same night you saw as had fell from the sky, while the others were vanishing. Unbelievable, you two. How did you do it? How did you come to be down here with the mortals? Goddess, we've missed you. We had fallen from the sky when the universe was clearing all of us. When we passed the heaven and the clouds, we turned into stars, trapped in that jar. Well, wait. Where did the rest of them go? Are they down there? They must be wished upon, a wish that is purely for others, not for oneself. Beatrice, your wish was for me to get my stars back. To get them all back, another wish must be made. But something must change. My stars, your goddess goes upon you. A wish is to be made. I wish for all of my stars to be free of this form and to be back in the sky, to shine and to be wished upon by all.